Hello, hello, crafty friends. Yana Smakula here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're looking at day number 5 of the 12 days of Stitchmas advent calendar with Spellbinders. I have already shared days 1 through 4. This was day number 1, day number 2, day number 3. That probably is my favorite so far. And then we have day number 4. And today we are looking at day number 5. Now, this is a Stitchmas advent calendar, but as you can see, I'm yet to do stitching. I didn't stitch any of these dies. I didn't do stitching on any of my cards, and I quite like the stitching dies oftentimes without the stitching. I do like them stitched too, but I also like them without the stitching. And if you are short on time, if you maybe don't like the look of stitching, or if you don't have thread in your stash, and if you still want to give this advent calendar a try, you definitely can, because as you can see, you can still use those dies and they look fantastic without the stitching. Okay, are you guys ready for day number 5? Let's go ahead. Ta-da-da-da. Oh, look at that. This is a fun little cocoa mug. Let's take this out. Going to open this and take a look at the size of this. So this is not too small, but not too large either. So this is about 2, but maybe like 2¼ inches. So a nice size. We have some foam at the top. We have some cocoa dripping. We have marshmallows. And then we have this little stick. Okay, I'm going to, as always, pause my video, work on my card, and be back. So here's a look at my card featuring day 5 of the 12 Days of Stitchmas Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. I did do stitching this time. I felt like it was suitable to stitch the trees on the cup because otherwise the cup looked plain. So I did a little bit of stitching. I used the diamond thread in white. It's this one. I just used one strand. I used the DMC stitching needles. These are available on the Spellbinders website, and I'll have all of these products linked in the video description below in case you want to check those out. By the way, I'm still using my needle minder from previous year. Love it. I also brought in a product from the Spellbinders Large Die of the Month for July 2025. If you remember, there was a die set with hands that were holding a cup, and then you could do little scenes inside those cups. And we also had a die, or 2 dies really, to die cut steam coming from the cup. So that's where this steam is from. The sentiment here, sending you cozy hugs and cocoa wishes, is also from the Spellbinders Club Kit for July 2025. It's from the stamp of the month. I stamped this in black ink, and I brought in, as always, the little foliage pieces from my Christmas cracker die set from the City Holiday Collection. I just wanted to add a little bit of greenery here to this card. Those foliage pieces, the holly and berry, and then the pine needles, they worked great for this. And finally, I embellished my card using some gems. I used the emerald gems from Spellbinders. I'm all out of the gold and silver gems, so I'm going through the other gem colors that I have in my stash, and I quite like the way this looks. They bring unexpected pop of a different color, if you will. Okay, so this is a look at day 5 of the Stitchmas Advent Calendar with Spellbinders. Hoping to be back tomorrow to show you day 6.